Hey Rawlicious souls, my name is Toni, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we're going to discuss about the number one reason why most fail on a raw vegan diet, and even just going high raw, or even just eating more whole undenatured foods, because we all know that these foods provide us with the energy, the glowing skin, the brighter eyes, the weight loss, the consistency of feeling vibrant and thriving. We're all I feel like deep down we all truly know what to eat, and I know we can make it as simple as difficult as we like. If we start to believe in all the BS that's out there's so many diets, there's so many BS, and I just wanted to share this video so that if you are feeling just stuck and lost and confused, the diet you're on's not even working, you just feel lost, and that there's a lot of deep sadness with it, and especially coming up to Christmas now, there's a lot of pressure, there's a lot of events, there's a lot of going out. We also want to look and feel good, but then we also want to indulge. But we can do that with raw foods. We can have raw gourmet foods, still feel good and still look good. But I know to get to that level, for some of us, that is a real challenge. And it's taken me over 8 years to get fully raw. And I never set myself up for going fully raw, but through trial and error, more raw days, it just made sense because I was high raw for a very long time. But I would say the number one reason is why you struggle is not having the support around you. I've had it myself. Not many people around me eat healthy, eat raw, and especially raw veganism. So we have to seek those that are living this lifestyle, because you are your environment. So it might not be physically around you, but you can seek those online, these community groups, and especially having a mentor. So if you really want to fast track your success in anything, in any area of your life, then seek those that are doing what you want to do. These traits, these characters of those that you admire, that that if I can just get some support and some guidance, then I know I'll be successful. And that's all it is. They just know a little bit more than you, and they can guide you. They've already done the trial and errors, the making the mistakes, just like me in raw vegan. So, it's taken me a long time, and I've had to go through some really difficult challenges. And as soon as I got the support, especially in a mentorship, I really catapulted my results, and things will be so much more easily and effortless. So I would encourage you to seek out those that you admire, those that are in a community that are supportive and loving and understanding, but also call you out as well. That's one thing for me. Sometimes we can make excuses. There's a fine line between being gentle, but also there's the excuses, isn't there? And so for my journey, I've invested a lot of money into my journey, my sacred processing, and I feel that is what's going to help most people. And this is why I offer one-on-one coaching, and I offer as much support as I can in a limited time frame, because I haven't got all the hours that I would like. So I do offer a group, and I also offer one-on-one. So there is a free group, Raw Living, that link is in the description box below, but I also offer one-on-one coaching, and I'm looking at doing more of programs next year. So do let me know if you're interested in those. But if you want to fast track your weight loss, feeling good, looking good, the most part is feeling, is how you feel, and we all want to feel confident, courageous, and feel good in what we're wearing. There's nothing wrong with feeling sexy, feeling rawlicious, and this is what my channel is about. So if you do want that support, do reach out. But I highly recommend you get yourself a tribe, because you are the average that you spend your time with, or the most time with. So look around who you're surrounding yourself with. If they're those going out drinking a lot, if those aren't in a position you want to be in, then start to look at retracting yourself, little by little, or completely, distancing yourself, and reach out in your community where you are, or online. Online can just be as good. I know it's not the same as in physically, but there is some great friendships that we've developed in these groups, and just having that understanding of what we're going through, the challenges, you know, because some people, because one, you can get those that are saying it's just an eating disorder, why are you getting so strict? And it's so far from the truth, as we all know. Why shouldn't we value our health and how we feel and how we look? Of course that's important. We don't want disease. We don't want to be sick. We want to have a thriving life, not just a mediocre life. So there is nothing wrong with you taking your power within your health and looking and feeling the best you've ever felt. Do not allow others to put you down on this journey, who are eating just a standard, following what everyone else is doing, what they're doing in the mainstream media, going on every single diet. You never have to go on a diet ever again. Your life's going to heal, your traumas, your wounds. You're going to open up to a lot of healing, and it's so worth it. You're going to lose the weight for good. You're never going to have a weight issue ever again. You're going to feel alive like you've never felt before. You're going to have an abundance like you've never imagined. You can have friendships that truly are worth the investment, the love, the connection, your soul tribe that you so deserve. I was looking for years, feeling so isolated, so on my own. But there are so many people like yourself that just want the best, want to see the best, want a positive mindset, want to be abundant and vibrant. So that's what I wish for you. If you've got any comments, do comment below if you like this video. Thumbs up if you haven't already subscribed. And I shall see you all in the next videos. Be, feel, and stay Rawlicious.